lots of laundry to do on laundry day, or maybe it's raining outside and you need to dry your clothes, but putting them in the dryer is overkill. Introducing the portable electric drying rack clothes dryer. This 1200 watt rack dryer can dry a huge capacity of clothing in one cycle. Even though it can dry lots of clothes, it's also foldable and easy to store, making it perfect for dorms, flats, condos, motorhomes, RVs, tents, and more. If you're in a hurry, it has a quick dry mode. It also has an environmentally friendly mode too. Plus, you can set it and forget it until it's done, since it has a smart temperature sensor to keep it from overheating. But both modes use less electricity than a traditional dryer. And the best part is the anion sterilize feature that helps the dryer remove things like mildew spores, pollen, odors, microorganisms, viruses, mud, and different risky airborne debris from your clothes. See the difference with the portable electric drying rack clothes dryer.